tow the steering wheel. I don't think it's behind me.
Each vendor, yeah. What's up?
All right, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy the footage from the Supercar Saturdays over at Dezerland Park. It's kind of different being in the evening than being in the morning. So it was a really good shot of the cars while they're coming in with the sun going down. Really made the picture and the video really, really cool with the palm trees in the background. And it was a really good show. Kind of fizzled away when it got dark out because the lights weren't turning on there. I don't know why they didn't turn on, but I mean, it is what it is. I still got the footage I needed. Wasn't the best footage, but I mean, I had a light on the camera, trying the best I can at night, get the fine tuning of the lighting and the color temperatures and this and that. But if you go to my Instagram at Overtime Attitude, you'll see more photos of the show. I kind of put the photos in more detail there, give you guys a better view of the photos. And then also check out the Spotify and Apple. We go to a podcast where we go more into detail with the show. And I'm also going to cover the next show that I'm uploading, which would be the Cars and Coffees over at Lake Nona. That's a really big video I'm putting together because it was a big turnout of cars that showed up. And be on the lookout for that video. And if you enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. You'll see more of these videos I post weekly, and then try to do shorts every other day that will keep you guys entertained, you know what I mean? And we're going to keep on doing more car shows coming up. We're going back to Dezerland actually for the Cars and Coffees. That'll be a morning show. So we're looking forward to that. We might see you guys there if you're watching this. So with that being said, I'm head out of here and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.